Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Device slowdowns due to multiple apps running in the background. So let me fix this. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about. Under about, go down and select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find a new option called developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. Here we need to go down and select app section. Let me go to app section, then set background process limit. By default this would be standard limit. We can change this to at most 3 processes or 2 processes. Let me change this to 3 processes. Done. Okay, so this way we can fix that issue. You can try this. So we can also change this to 2 processes. See, this way we can fix device slowdown issue due to multiple apps running in the background. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.